When creating a sketch that is full of symmetries, it's often much easier to use the mirror tool rather than manually recreating the geometry. Let's look at this spline as an example. Recreating the exact spline would be very tedious, so instead, let's use the mirror feature. First, insert a center line that will act as the mirror plane. Then click on the geometry you want to mirror, which in this case is the spline. Click Mirror, then click the center line. The mirror geometry is complete. All geometry that is made with the mirror tool will have these arrows showing the direction of the symmetry. Let's do this one more time, but this time I'll also mirror the mirrored entity. The sketch is now complete.